want the run, could get it quite easily in the end. In fact, they're looking for two. It's knocked off the stumps on the ground. Is it being referred? This is sloppy work from England.
Rubbing salt into the wound, I think it's called. Very, very good cricket.
The new over, trying to push it through, and he leans back on that one and just go through for the second run very, very quickly. Here comes the throw. This is going to be quite close. He just flicked the ball back onto the stump.
Looking comfortable, partnership of 53. They're already celebrating with high five. It looks short, it is. This is a clever piece of work from MS Dhoni. Letting it go through the legs, onto the stumps. He's gone. Important breakthrough for India. It was Rohit Sharma's throw that came from deep point, cover point. Yes, he's gone.
Oh dear. What a mess up that is. Take a look at him now. He's just saying bye to him. And it's Lakshmi that they're appealing for.
What shot was that? We'll have to find a description for it. Good effort that. Bradford, one of the newcomers. What kind of shot was that?
Not using bat. Now that speed's getting up to 140 kilometers an hour. So he's saying if you're ducking under it, trying to get out of the way, and then the ball hits you, that's fine. But what Brazil is trying to tell Dhoni is that you stood in the way, to almost like you're offering your body to the ball.
Look, he's ducking there, he's moving, he sees the ball coming. He's not just standing there and saying, oh please hit me, Mitchell Johnson. And I think he's every right to
Do this job, taking the gloves off, being the fourth seamer in the team. Brilliant! And look at him! Isn't he pleased? What a great moment! What a magnificent moment for the captain. His teammates love it, he loves it, the crowd love it.
Oh, close in swing. Is he going to give him? Is the captain? Yes! Would you believe it? Mahela Jayawardene wants it reviewed.
Single as well, that brings up Dilshan.
Whoa, how quick was that? Super piece of keeping from MS Dhoni. Took the bells off. Lightning speed.
Dilshan, who's confidently marching off. First ball of the match, the first legal one anyway, and Dilshan's been stumped by MS Dhoni.
Then the stomping, here's that hook. It seems
He would have to be Superman to be running someone out from that distance. That is ridiculous.
Thrown.